Hi, I'm Jamie with The Savings Secret, where I help you be more intentional with your money. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my experience of not using a bank for the past year. This is not clickbait. I don't have a personal checking or savings account to use to hold my money. I've done a lot of different videos about different bankings. I've reviewed a lot of them. And over a year ago, I decided to give that all up, to stop playing the games of figuring out where the high interest savings accounts were or what different features were best. And I'm going to go through all of that and what my experience of not using a bank has been. Stay tuned. All right, so if you're new to my channel, I've done a lot of different financial videos. I've done a lot of banking reviews of different videos that I think are helpful to figure out which bank is best, going back and forth. And to be honest with you, I have given up having a checking or savings account altogether. I did a video about why I believe savings accounts are dead. And really what it comes down to is, what is the purpose of a bank? And the purpose to the bank for many users is to figure out where you can hold your money. Where is a place where you can have access to it if you need to pull out and have cash, where you can pay your bills, all of these services that banks provide. But really, the reason why banks exist, the main purpose, is to lend money. So if you need access to get a home mortgage, a car note, any of these different things, they're there and they're happy to give you loans. That's the purpose of a bank, is they make money off interest you pay them. So you're not going to get wealthy by paying banks interests. So one of the great lessons that you learn from Robert Kiyosaki, his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is you need to buy assets and find ways to accumulate assets. And one of the ways that you can do that is through buying securities, stocks, bonds, mutual fund, index funds. And also he talks about real estate. But today I'm going to be talking about buying assets specifically in the stock market. And so if your goal is to make money, is to buy assets, you might be thinking, but Jamie, what does this have to do with not having a bank account? Well, the purpose of a bank for you is to have access to your money, direct deposit it in, pay your bills, those types of things. Now, when I was going down this rabbit hole, I learned that financial institutions that handle trillions of dollars in assets actually have banking features like direct deposit, like, FDIC coverage for money. They have different features where they have bill pay, where they have ATM reimbursements. You don't actually need a bank to get these features. So when I went down this rabbit hole, I learned that where I invest my money with Fidelity through a brokerage account actually has all of these features. And so I quickly closed my bank accounts and moved my money into my Fidelity brokerage account. And they offer lots of great features. They own it, whether you do it in a brokerage account or a cash management account, they offer some amazing features. And by doing this, I'm being more intentional with my money. So let me give you some real examples of why I moved it and why it's better. So again, like I said, my goal is to buy stocks and index funds. And for me, when I buy funds, I'm not looking to buy and sell quickly. I'm looking for long-term buy and hold strategy. That is my strategy. I'm not looking to sell less than a year. I'm willing to buy and hold and watch that growth happen over the long haul. Consistently buy. And if I plan on selling, it's not going to be for at least a year to get long-term capital gains, especially if the money is in a brokerage account. And so when you put your money there, a real life application is you set up direct deposit to go into your Fidelity account. Once your money is in your Fidelity account, then you can instantly buy index funds. One of my favorite ones is FNLIX. It mimics the S&P 500, but doesn't have an expense ratio at all. It's zero. So you can get into the stock market without having to pay any of these fees or fines. So then that's great. But what if you need to pull money out of ATM? Well, they have a debit card, and also they have ATM reimbursement. All of these great features that banks have kind of branded themselves of put your money at a bank, I would say, why? Their job is to make money, where financial institutions, their job is to help you grow your money over the long haul. There's a reason why Fidelity has trillions of dollars in assets that they manage, because they offer these. They have a very simplified app. It's very easy to move funds between your brokerage account, your Fidelity cash management account, your IRA. A lot of times, if you had funds with a bank, it's going to take you 2, 3, 4 business days to have that money show up, and then you need to invest. When you have your money within the Fidelity ecosystem or any financial institution, they'll be able to instantly invest, instantly transfer funds in and out. They have so many great features that it really helps you grow your money. So again, I have not had a bank account since February of 2021, and no checking, no savings account, and I have loved the opportunity to just continue to buy investments, hold. You're talking about a huge company. If you need to talk to someone on the phone, you can instantly call them up. You get great customer service. You can look at all the reviews that they have. They talk to a real person, and they're there to help you manage your money. So again, I don't have a personal savings or checking account, and I think it's a great move that no one's really talking about. If you think this is helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you think I'm crazy, please give it a thumbs up too, but give me your thoughts in the comment section below of why you use a bank and why you don't think it's worth taking money out of a bank account and putting it in a financial institution. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Feel free to check out some of my other videos where I've done in-depth reviews of other Fidelity accounts. And I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.